Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding comparison transitions to your videos using CapCut PC. Let's start by importing the two videos you want to work with onto the timeline. Navigate to the Transitions tab and search for the comparison transition. Here, you'll see two options, Comparison and Comparison to. You can preview each transition and select the one that best fits your project. To add the chosen comparison transition, either click the plus sign next to it or drag and drop it directly between your two video clips on the timeline. If a pop-up window appears asking, "Create duplicate frames for transition," simply click OK to proceed. Once the transition is applied, a gray box will appear between the clips, indicating where the effect is placed. Preview your video to see how the comparison transition looks in action. If you want to adjust the duration of the transition, you can drag the edges of the gray box to shorten or lengthen it. Alternatively, click the transition to access the duration settings and enter a specific value. For projects with multiple clips, you can save time by applying the same transition universally. That's it. I hope this tutorial was informative and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in.